Deputy CEO of Ghana Tourism Authority.
Where is that? Won't to me in film, because last 3 days, the people were mocking Rexoma there. Abi Baye. You don't get when you're slot, but God no go shame Rexoma that.
Of course.
Where Rexoma gets in slots. Now Rexoma, take us through the rules that they give them.
So let's start with Rexoma, of course. Congratulations going out to Rex Omar as the presidential staffer for Black Star Experience. Into Black Star Experience, or today, during the Nanado government, beyond the return and the return of where the diaspora people they come Ghana country in December, all the December activities where they go on. Yes, what I share. Yeah, Papa Rex Oman inside.
KOD is somebody that has done a lot for the industry and for the nation as well. I brought to him live football, and he has Ghana at heart. He's gone through the process. One thing that I like about him in there, another one, John Mahama, when they KOD at a point supported MPP.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
Hello, beautiful people. I see Abusia from DJ Parker Rich. I had on your Parker Rich studio. This show is +233 show.
+233.
Yes, and I'm not here alone.
Yeah. PKBDA, yeah. Mohade Maba.
So, there NDC, why a campaign, a lot of people were involved. So that the way I want to, we are all involved. Yes.
All involved.
And so we had the likes of Rexoma playing some real active roles in there. When it comes to creative topics, mostly it be Rexoma where they go out there, they speak for the NDC. And also we saw the likes of Dr. Gilbert Abeiku Santana, the true son of Salt Pond. Oh yes, Abeiku Santana from Salt Pond.
Wow.
That's him, my big brother there. And then we saw the likes of Mr. KOD. Yes, honestly, so drone a brother pa and see. Today, a lot of people from the creative industry, they are happy because President John Mahama was assigning one to certain roles in the government. There one shana one so one for one yimzi, one knowledge, one from Bobwa, the government and Yim say Druma na waba watch him obian bia, but what's it? So come home a 1 year ma wabian and where is that won't to me in film. Because last 3 days, the people were mocking Rexoma there. Abi Baye. You don't get when you're slot. But God no go shame Rexoma that.
Of course.
Where Rexoma gets in slots. Now, Rexoma, take us through the rules that they give them.
So, let's start with Rexoma, of course. Congratulations going out to Rex Omar as the presidential staffer for Black Star Experience. Into Black Star Experience, and today, during the Nanado government, beyond the return and the return of where the diaspora people they come Ghana country in December, all the December activities where they go on. Yes, what I share. Yeah, Papa Rex Oman inside. Into this December under the NDCDA, according to the Black Star Experience, programs are lining up to make the December a festive one, inviting the diaspora people to come in and catch the whole vibe. Looking forward to Black Star Experience.
Well, with Rexoma, I mean, what Vim wonimu. Then I believe till he went to Gamro and things didn't really click out for them. So I'm for have doubt on his,
of course,
delivery, competence and all that. But man, and when you say I am dangerous, go to that office and show us how dangerous Rexoma you can be when it comes to putting things together. We can only wish you best. We can only wish you well, Rexoma. It's Bomazanana corner could deliver. And I think one person also will generate a conversation on the social media, Kofi Ocherdako. Yes, and on Super Rona was a man.
Kofi Ocherdako has been appointed as the presidential advisor on diaspora affairs. Presidential
what be
advisor.
that?
On advice His Excellency John Mahama with regards to affairs when it comes to cultural heritage and bridging cultural heritage between the diaspora people. One our Amanone, now one our Ghana, and how to bridge the gap between cultural heritage. I mean, trying to let them understand the perspective from the Ghanaian way. And he has his show,
Rhythms on the
Runway, which is a cultural event as well. Trying to add fashion and culture together. So he will advise His Excellency John Mahama when it comes to our culture in terms of the diaspora, bridging the gap between the diaspora and Ghanaians. And not just that, of course, I'm sure to try and put Ghana on the map out there, let people know that Charlie, on a culture they be. So people all for calm down. So in work then Rexoma, they like hand in hand.
Well, I think KOD is somebody that has done a lot for the industry and for the nation as well. I brought you him live football, and he has Ghana at heart. He's gone through the process. One thing that I like about him in there, another one, John Mahama, when they KOD at a point supported MPP when he was managing Wuta, the big dreams and all that. But now he saw the light and he's joined the NDC and Dramani Mahama has entrusted, this role into his hands. We are sure that definitely KOD no go shame us. Okay, we're looking up to you. And the last person also on the list is our very own. Yesterday, a friend of Mr. Tourism, no be today. No be now. We started call Abeiku Santana. Mr. Tourism. And today we see John Mahama, His Excellency. We're appointing us what?
The Deputy CEO of Ghana Tourism Authority.
What? Deputy what?
Deputy if I didn't tell me so. Deputy CEO of Ghana Tourism Authority.
Wow.
Yeah, Deputy CEO.
So, Bibi Damon, what are his roles and
so we know Mr. Tourism as an ambassador of tourism, he always wants to make sure that the tourism sector in Ghana is flourishing and is growing. And because in any serious country, you need to take your tourism serious. If you go to Rwanda, they run ads to invite people to come to the country and see how beautiful the country is. And of course, we have beautiful places in Ghana as well. So Mr. Tourism, Dr. Agri, is the one going to deputy his boss so that they can push the Ghana Tourism Authority up more, make sure that people come into the country so that we can make revenue. They are run or mine, because tourism is a very important part of governance and a place to generate a lot of revenue to help push the nation. So congratulations to
Dr. Abeiku Santana. But one thing I can share with my big brother Abeiku Santana, this is a heart-to-heart conversation with you. We saw senior man, Marco Krekumante, wasn't a deputy. He came here giving us excuses.
Pain.
A deputy into me. Brother said, what's why a deputy? So what had then? We know what you can do when it comes to tourism. Into so what deputy? Please publicly come out and resign. On your fault. Once again, also I have to invite you to the homeland, Saltpond. Of course. Into brother Sabe, deputy CEO of tourism. We expect you to do more. Shasopon beach kakran all the way. Shakwame Nkrumah Bebiano Oba Oda. It was Saltpond. These places are all there. Start to a central region, because when it comes to tourism, central region, you cannot take us out.
Of course.
Into Sunday here, your brother Fantim Yezim. What's why be a CEO of tourism? Deputy. You have no reason to deny us.
Of course.
Abeiku Manyanta for tourism and a Denny B. No one brother Abeiku Santana Manyanta for no be. And you man yes. Mammo be chance on back at it. One must be sort Ponyana and fancy opportunity put on by deputy CEO and one yashe. Papa, we believe in you.
Yes.
Brother Kweku,
full support.
Wagro pension. Strategic communications up to in there. I say, why you Into brother, go and make us proud. Yes. But the one person that people they mention in name there, hey, or out of coverage area, and Mama John Mahama, your own brother Baba Sadiq. Papa ni seat in Pinakas as an man. Into don't let Babes insensi foam.
Of course.
John, His Excellency, Dramani, Sadiq, Obey Juma, Pe baby nine and she, baby Ozimu, Shana Wanzana, not financial. He would deliver.
Of course.
Into case in Nine. Brother, you have something to share again?
Nine. Congratulations to everyone.
Oh, no, the man of John Dramani Kanyas are Nine. We are out of here.
Hey, Bombo Clat.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.